It's a 2016 Cadillac SRX. Dramatic elegance and sophistication for your everyday. It's well equipped with the features you need. Auto-dimming rearview mirror, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, V6 engine, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, active noise cancellation, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and refrigerated box located in the glove box. The Car Connection observes, inside the look is uniquely American, and the hand-cut and sewn coverings on the instrument panel and ambient lighting make for a rich environment. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.